Hey guys, this is Connor Brown over at Heritage Ford. Today I just want to take a minute of your time to go over this 2016 Ford Mustang with a 2.3 EcoBoost engine, guys. Real quick, I just want to give you a quick vehicle walk around and then I'll hop inside, show you a few of the options, and then we're going to take this thing for a spin. Alrighty. So we have power windows, power locks, power mirrors. We also have our hands-free display here. All of the assembly here. We have push button start, so I'm going to go ahead and start it up. Simple as that. You also have traction control down here, and you can also adjust the way that the steering wheel feels. So you see we have sport, comfort, and normal, but let's get real, guys. This is a sports car, so we're going to keep it on sport. Alrighty, so get this buckled up real quick and we're going to take this thing for a spin. Alrighty guys, so you're going to be looking at about 22 city miles per gallon and about 31 highway, but it really just depends on how you drive. As you can see, this one's averaging 30.3 miles a gallon, so 30.3 miles a gallon in a Mustang, I'm going to say that's pretty good. And you're also looking at about 310 horsepower with 320 feet-pound of torque, so a good amount there, plenty of pickup. But also, guys, I just want to hit on, this vehicle really drives smooth, almost comparable to a mid-size SUV, but you're also getting the performance of a Mustang with a 2.3 EcoBoost. It's a great motor, and as you can tell, I mean, it is just pulling up this hill easily. Comfortable feel on the steering wheel. It's very tight. The seats, they hug you, so you're not going to be moving around or anything like that, so you are in full control all the time. This turns very sharply, and like I said, man, it just feels like a great vehicle. Fun to drive also. Sitting behind a Mustang, you just feel like you are in control. Right up here, I'm going to try to show you how this baby accelerates, just to give you a feel for it. Like I said, 310 horsepower, 320 feet-pound of torque. So right here, we're going to get on a little bit just to show you guys what this car is made of. So as you could tell, plenty of pickup. And you're getting 30.3 miles a gallon in this thing, which is crazy. This amount of pickup for that fuel economy. Like I said, guys, I can't get over how smooth this car drives. I mean, these Mustangs, Ford's know what they're doing with these vehicles right here. The drive quality is immaculate. Alrighty. Get out here and give you one more walk around on the vehicle and just push it one more time, shut it off. And like I said, guys, this has been a 2016 Ford Mustang with a 2.3 EcoBoost engine, ruby red metallic paint, beautiful, beautiful color. And guys, I can't tell you how good this car drives and everything like that, but don't take my word for it. Come take a test drive yourself.